Ekuseni uta Esezwe aka utaqhibo aka Jan engena stress stress awuphola ngasikho lapho of course and we are back back with the anonymous valley and of course I'm not going alone. I am going with AIHQ. Yes sir. Please introduce yourself once again.
Man, you know we back again. It's another video. You know what we doing this time? Episode 2, part 2, whatever you want to call it. My name is Craig Fisher, man. Yes. You just need to know that. I'm going to give it to my bigger man.
Shut up.
Walla bafethu niyayazi kaloku niphethe Jan like no other, Jan like Keith. Oh yeah, that's how it pitches.
Yo. You already know who I am. Batman.
I'm Batman.
Okay, why are we wasting time? Shouldn't we just get into it? Let's go. Just don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, tell your friends to tell their friend and their dog and their uncles and their aunties.
Tell the uncle.
Tell the uncle.
And follow the Camera House on Instagram.
Yeah.
That's some exclusive.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna put it there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it down. Okay. Let's run it. First one. I've once slept with one of my boys' aunt at their family wedding, but he still doesn't know.
How doesn't he know though? Is this guy keeping secrets? Is he a fake friend? What you think?
I don't know.
Fake friend?
What's your take on that?
I'm calling fake friend.
Same, bruh.
Fake friend?
Same.
You know me.
We all agree. Fake friend.
You know me.
Fake friend.
You know me.
Fake.
You know me.
You
know me.
What's the question of the season?
You know me.
Question of the season.
Ikalephi le idea. Who sparked it? Who proposed it first? Who
Probably
said come
the
here to the baby?
Probably the auntie. Aunties and uncles be wilding these
What are
days.
the wedding though? I invite you to a wedding at my house.
At my house.
Oh,
this
You
is
never
a
find out,
spicy
you're never gonna
one.
hear about it.
It's a spicy one.
You see,
Yeah.
My girl once initiated a threesome with a girl she liked, but I can't lie. Ever since from that day, I never wanted a kitty no more. Instead,
my bad.
I'm eating her friends or whatever you call it till today. Man doesn't even have a name for the shorty. It's a whatever you call it type of situation. Boom.
Hey, amajita ngomsebenzi man. Mna. Support
Over time.
Nah.
Nah, gente, you can't be supporting side.
Swepa ngapatane. Yeah, nah.
Ngibona amajita ngomsebenzi. Like this one.
Like, what's your take on that?
What's your take on that though?
Amajita adlala i-game
Because the
for
hand
the
initiated
love of the
the
game.
For the love of the game.
Teto niweninzi. I suspect my father is part of the Madlanga Commission. He's a skimali job. He's a skimali.
Bring the money my way.
Come.
Because
Like-
like,
We'll find solutions.
Kota, why are you exposing the hand that feeds you?
Like jonga aka expose. But I don't know masivele soze kwenzeke next.
Yeah, so
Phelela
next.
phelela
Asazi bangibani. But
Asimazi
like at the end of the day,
afu nini? Masikimali.
Ah,
Yiza ngapha wena jonga. Sinazi ideas.
Yeah.
Sifuna nje funding.
Papa?
Sakimali.
Upapa.
Noma ngupapa.
I didn't even need to remember that one. This person said, let me tell y'all. This person said, I finger myself every night because I'm afraid of dick. You are addicted to fluffing inside yourself because you're afraid of the peeping.
Are you joking?
Open your see. Open your see. All I have to say to you is, aren't you basically doing the same shit though? It's just that it's skinnier.
No, I'm saying it's AI.
Marashem, some of you guys need to invest in diaries.
I'm a sex addict. I finger myself every night.
But I'm scared of
dick.
Yes.
Some of you guys need journals,
just get you
diaries. Secrets should be a thing in your life.
Yekelani ukusincisha ikhekhe ngiyadlala.
Uyazazi about
bayadlala. Bayadlala.
Yazi bayadlala.
Kuyadlala. Of course.
Of course. Okay, you. Me, this one says, man, got to be. This one says, me and my homeboy gave each other head, and I kinda enjoyed it.
Wait.
Were you both boys?
Me and my homeboy.
So shorty.
Shorty and the homeboy.
Like with the gent, you can also be like, nah, this is my homeboy.
Whoa, that's the homie.
Yeah, I feel like we
have a point.
But
What?
Let's
specify it.
Drop it on the comments on who you think it is. It's a guy or a girl.
Yeah.
Drop it in the comments.
Like, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Because if it's a guy, what like
it's a guy.
What the fuck?
Aibo, ikale pile idea.
Like,
But if it's a girl,
Hey,
shout
Joe,
out to you,
man.
shorty.
Like,
You're looking out for the homie.
that's on you. That's on you. That's on you.
It's a good friendship.
That's a good friendship.
It's what you call a friendship forever.
That's a good friendship.
BFF. Best friends for life.
Best friends for life. Yo. Ne chance check ne. I'ma do what Teto said in the last clip. This is not me. This one says, yo, my mom got a vibrator, dog. That's what they wrote on here. So somebody's mom out there is a vibrator. Maga Jens, how old do you think this mother is?
For the son to be even concerned, like for the like ubusenza way, ubusenza way. Ufuna none ezinto abantu badala.
Put moms in the game.
Imani,
Put moms in the game.
What's going on?
Put moms in the game.
No, Mamzo, please.
Put moms in the game.
Abazali. Give me the idea. Give me the idea.
Yeah, I don't support that though. I can't lie. Why's Mamzo doing that?
Okay, Chase, this one says I aborted twice already at the age of 22.
Whoa. God, what?
I aborted twice already at the age of 22.
You.
I'm not. But show me you are putting yourself first. Not the tool. I do Teto.
Yeah, we have nothing to say about your
because manufuna umntana engenamali.
Yeah. If you mala yiko,
I buy mala yiko fetu.
If I phone in jail.
Like
that's why niggas stay safe.
Yeah,
man out there.
like
stay safe.
To condomize.
Hey.
Stay
Stay safe, gents.
like
Wrap it up. Stay safe, gents. Give
Yo.
it on some picnic vibes.
like this way.
You already know.
Stand. This way. Bab. Oh, it's done.
Hey man,
It's
done. No way.
But like, I think I have more though.
We coming back.
Wait
Let me
for
check.
my nigga to
I
check
think
the
I have
shit.
more though.
If he has more. Because abantu ningathi niyathetha ndithanda xa nenza le nto ke mna ke
Into.
bathetha kamani bayathetha man.
Now I'm up behind
Like
the scenes.
guys like ne let go
Marantana vele she aborted twice. Vele
this
she
is
aborted
a
twice.
safe space.
Yeah, I think it's raps.
Yo.
Those raps.
Yeah.
Hey man, Fede gonna bomb us with the outro.
Say. That's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, tell your friends to tell their friends.
Teto is too wild, bro.
Exit and out.